Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got another radio from Jeff to show you. This is a really weird radio. Let me get this out of the way. It's a radio by International. He's got the original box. It is model number DO-10H. Pretty interesting looking radio. I'm sorry I don't have autofocus on, so let me manual focus here and get a little better. There we go. A little glare there. It's an AM FM radio with a LED power indicator. Let's see. I'm looking at my notes from Jeff. He says this was 1973 vintage. Okay, let's see what we got here. Pristine. Most of Jeff's radios are pristine. I wish the lighting was a little better. Oh boy. There's a close-up of it. Got this very unusual dial face here. But it has, right here, AM, FM switch. There's the big fat LED. Volume indicator, on-off volume indicator. Telescopic antenna for FM. It's about 14 inches. Earphone jack right there. I wish the lighting was a little better. Clip right there on the back. And it says power is a 9-volt battery. And then AM and FM. Made in China. I don't know if it has a battery in it. Feels awful light. Let me open it up. There we go. Nope. Doesn't have a battery in it, but I got one right here. So we're going to stick this little baby in here. Very, very carefully so I get the polarity right. Whoops. Hang on there. Isn't this exciting? I mean, watching me put a battery in. Forgot to put the battery in. Okay, now I'll put this back in the case. Whoops. Let's get it in there correctly. Okay, let's see. That's laying down in there. Put the cover back on. We don't want to lose covers. That's always a bad thing to do. There we go. Now, let me zoom in some. Oh gosh, I didn't realize I zoomed out so far. How did I get zoomed out so far? You dumb camera, you got a mind of your own. Okay, here we go. And of course, we go to autofocus. See if that'll help. Yeah, it helped. As long as I keep it steady. There's the speaker. The looks, it looks pretty good, even though I'm sure this is pretty low quality. It looks pretty spiffy. And I mean, this of course is plastic, chrome plastic, but it just looks nice the way they laid it out. Let's see if it works. On. Yeah, and we are in FM. Let's go to AM. There's AM. Oh, pretty loud. Tuning. Whoa. Boy, I got it tuned in. Let's kind of tune the band a little bit. We're safe to tune the AM band. Boy, once you get on a station, it's strong. Kind of tinny. Yeah. That's one thing that the modern Chinese radios, the cheap Chinese radios, they perfected the speaker technology. They got these little tiny speakers, and they sound terrific. Back then, back in, what did I say, 1973, they were just starting to make these smaller radios and these speakers, and they weren't very good. They were kind of tinny. You really didn't want to listen to music. And that's even that. It's It doesn't have any bass at all, or even midtones are missing. But sounds okay.
Probably 18. Alright, listen, I will space to work with.
Oh, I forgot to mention the LED is on. Okay, it's finding plenty of stations. Pretty smooth tuning, although the tuning knob right here is kind of recessed. So you kind of have to stick your finger down in there. It's not sticking out very far. It's okay. Oh, plenty of reception on AM. Let's quickly try FM. We turn the volume down first. Got lots of volume. Okay, we'll extend the antenna. Okay, we'll switch over to FM. Then we'll turn the volume back up. And then let's see what we got. I'm not really sure where the indicator is for the frequency you're on. I thought it was the vertical and vertical one, but it doesn't seem to be. So let's see, see if I can find a station I recognize, and then maybe I can figure out. Boy, it's struggling on FM. There's one. Okay, it is the antenna's out too far. It is this vertical line here. So we're on sorry, I'm struggling here. Okay, there's 54 up to 100 to 14. So that's 54 to 1400. And so 88 is over here. I'm sorry, I don't even have it in the camera. Here's 88, and then it goes this way. So we're on approximately 105. Okay, let's go down to the lower part of the FM band, which is where the station over in Tampa is. Just kind of hard to get sometimes. That's not it. Nope, I'm not getting it. It's 89.3 or something like that. I'm not getting that. So it's struggling on FM. Of course, I'm in my workshop. A lot of interference in my workshop. But AM did perfect. Let's look at the notes that Jeff provides some great notes. I don't know why I can't keep it in the camera, in the view of the camera. I'm gonna look at his notes here. 9-volt battery, yep. He said they used a 9-volt battery on their earlier runs of the production, and then later used 2 AA's. That's good. 9 volts were kind of phased out. He says that the FM band includes part of an air band. He says the FM band goes from 88 to 135, which includes the lower part of the air band. I'm trying to remember the frequency that the little airport is on near me, and I can't remember. Anyway, said he had 2 of these for his 12th birthday. He got one, and then he got one later. He got this new in the box, new old stock. Yes, it does look in pristine condition. He got it off the Facebook Marketplace. He says it does not receive aircraft, but not advertised to receive aircraft, even though, and we see on the back here what it says. Yep, it says it goes to 135. So it's probably not very sensitive to that. He says the reception is decent. The speaker is nasty. Yeah, that sounds, I have to agree, it doesn't sound very good on that speaker. Probably if you used earbuds, then it would sound a lot better. So that's it. Again, this is the International Radio. And the model was DO-10H, AM and FM radio. Cool looking radio. I think this is a spiffy looking radio. My webcam doesn't do it justice. Pretty cool. Thanks again for Jeff for loaning me these radios to reveal my show. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. 13 more radios from Jeff to go this time. Bye-bye.